Good morning, Tripura. Today, 31st August 2022, I had to come live in front of you all with a grief and heavy heart, informing you all about the death of another 10,323 teachers, namely Arunodoy Das GT from Koilasor, Unukutu district, Tripura. He died due to brain stroke last night and will be cremated shortly today, and we are informed that the reason for his death is just because of the illegal termination that was done by the department and also wrong implementation of the Honorable High Court and Supreme Court judgment. Again, precisely, let me also enlighten you all about another death, that is yesterday's incident. Nondolal Nomo GT of Sipaijala district, also a victimized teacher of 10,323, died due to cancer. After illegal termination from his job, he could not afford in further treatment and thereby had to leave this world, leaving his innocent family's members in this world. This is really a tragic incident, and this death toll till today is 139 numbers of innocent lives we have lost. And again, precisely to say, this year itself, 2022, we have 18 numbers of dead teachers died during this year itself. And again, in this month of August, itself, we have 4 numbers of teachers who have expired due to several tensions after termination from the Education Department, Government of Tripura. Another important information I want to give you all is regarding suicide case. Suicide case, in this 139 numbers, we have 6 numbers of suicide case attempted after illegal termination from the Education Department. Now, the question is, who is to be held responsible for all this incident? Who is to be held accountable for all this incident? We are seeing this type of death toll almost in regular intervals. In this month itself, we have witnessed nearly 4 numbers of teachers, and who knows, in the next coming month, this death toll may be double to 8, 16, 24 and 32. These innocent lives are being lost just because of the wrong implementation of Honorable High Court and Supreme Court's judgment, and also the illegal termination by the Department of Tripura. We had been pressurizing our movement in different ways. Sometimes few days back, you all have heard that we are launching one movement that is called School Cholo Abhijan, highlighting RTI that we got from Right to Information, that we got from the Apex Court, in which it stated that all 10,300 teachers are not members of, are not a party, either petitioner or respondents in this case, murder judgment that was passed in the Honorable High Court. We had been seeking clarification from the department, we had been seeking clarification from a school, from the DDO's, District Education Office, and even from the school inspectorate. But neither of these officials who have terminated us are able to answer to our queries, to our simple queries, that is, why we are terminated, and how are we involved in this 10,323 teachers? Because in all the judgment that we go through, we did not find this number. But unfortunately, the school department, government of Tripura, have included us in this judgment, stating that we are all part of this judgment, and had illegally terminated all of us. This is a tragic incident, and it is really a pathetic story. I appeal to state government to find a permanent solution for all these teachers, because if this permanent solution is not settled at the earliest, the number of death toll will increase. And another important message I want to pass to all is regarding awareness of our 10,323 teachers. At this junction, I can proudly say that today every honest, humble intellectual citizens of our Tripura are well acquainted with the fact that 10,323 teachers' job is not illegal. Today we come across in many discussions and in many social medias, and even the media fraternity are supporting this 10,323 teachers, stating that this job which was given by the department, school department, is not illegal. And today we are getting a mass support from all the sections of the society. Intellectuals dwellings of our citizens of our state are supporting us, and all sections are really coming forward to extend their help to each and every 10,323 teachers. I extend my humble submission to all for supporting us in this our movement, and hope this movement we will attain our success in due course. And I appeal to the state government also to really interject all these problems and find a complete solution, so that we don't lose any other innocent lives in the near future. Because if this problem is not solved at the earliest, there will be many more innocent lives whom we lose from this world. That is why my humble appeal to the state government to look into this matter gently and implement the Honorable High Court and Supreme Court judgment at the earliest, and allow all these teachers to go back to the students. Thank you.